Hey guys, this is David again. I'm here at work at AT&T, pretty bored, so we're gonna position ourselves here in a futures position, do some degenerate shit, and hopefully make some money while I'm sitting here bored, making money at AT&T as well. I'm in KUCOIN in the futures market. Bitcoin is kind of taking a hit today. Looks like we're at $42,826 right now. We're in the minute chart here in the futures market for Bitcoin, and I'm going to put in 100 times short here. I don't have very much money in my account. I have $36.33. This is the minute scale for Bitcoin right here, and I think I'm going to go short, man. Let's do it. So this is KuCoin Futures. All my videos, I like to do a little bit of tutorial. So I'm going to click this lightning bolt right here, and that's our market order. I'm going to leverage 100% of what's in my account, which is $36, and I'm going to sell short on Bitcoin. Here we go with $35.98. There we go. I just positioned myself. Let's go ahead and hit refresh here and refresh our browser and see our long position, or our short position. We're a bear today. Let's see if I can make some money. We're bouncing back up already here. We're on the minute scale. I'm already not looking too good. I can close my position out right here. I would lose $1.50 right now. Let's just kind of watch this and see where we go. Hopefully we can make a little run back down and take some profits here and get on out and close our shift out, close down this AT&T store, and go home with a little bit of extra money. Just a heads up, you guys, don't position yourself with any kind of trading in anything you can't lose. This is KuCoin Futures. Right here is where you place all your buy orders right here. You can do a limit order or stop order. That's basically where you set the price and say, hey, I believe the price is going up or the price is going down. And looks like we're in a pretty bad spot already. I should have went long. Man, you can take your profit or set a stop loss right here. I can let's set a no, I'm not going to set a stop loss, but basically this is right here where you set your stop loss. Say you're only willing to lose 50% of your money. So once that price is triggered, your stop losses will just close your position right for you. That's no fun to me. I like to watch it. This is where you do the same with take profits. Once you've made 75%, KuCoin will go ahead and close your position at a positive 75% gain, or earn you $23.93 here. But we're just going to watch it right here. This red line right here basically indicates that we went short on Bitcoin. Oh, excuse me, right here. That's our short position, and that's why it's red. Our liquidation price is $43,019, just a few $100s away for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been taking a hit. On the weekly scale, we're coming on a nice line of support. So if we break below that line of support, man, Bitcoin is in trouble, guys. I've heard of prices all the way down to 20,000. So, let's just see what we can do today. I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh here. I'm at work. I'm on Wi-Fi. I'm using a Netgear Nighthawk 5G to make this video today. So excuse me if it's a little poor quality or kind of laggy right here. All right, so we're on the minute scale right here on Bitcoin. I've got lots of other tutorial videos, you guys, if you want to learn a little bit about KuCoin, buying and selling and trading and using the futures market. It can be pretty intimidating. It can be very intimidating for some of you new guys who don't know what you're doing. Basically, I taught myself everything I know. I clicked on all kinds of stuff. I lost a bunch of money learning the hard way, and I'd like to prevent you guys from that as well. But I'm in 100 times leverage position right now, which a lot of traders is going to tell you that is incredibly stupid to do. I'm breaking even right now. Right here is this red line, shows my short position available that we just entered into Bitcoin. And I'm hoping we just get another little rundown, excuse me. 100 times leverage is extremely stupid. It's extremely degenerate. I could get liquidated very quick. Our liquidation price again right here is going to be $43,019. So that would be, let's see here, 43,000, somewhere in this area where my top little grid is at. If the price of Bitcoin gets back up above this line of support, we're going to get liquidated right here at $23,019. But the price of Bitcoin is falling below 40,000. I wanted to get in a short with a little bit of money. I wanted to just kind of entertain myself while I'm at work, kind of teach you guys a little bit more, teach you all I can, position ourselves right here with a little $36. You can always, right here, TPSL of long or TPSL of short. Basically, you can set these take profits and stop losses before you even enter. So if you guys are using some big money, that's going to be the way to do it. And you're going to want to time the market just right. That way you can make money on the upturn, make money on the downturn. And if cryptocurrency is going crazy and you guys are taking some hits, well, you can make money on the downside. So this is how you do it. You're going to sell short, You got to have some funds available in your KuCoin account already. To do that, I've got some other tutorial videos. You guys can check it out. But basically, you're just going to want to send any kind of cryptocurrency from whatever wallet you have straight into your deposits under KuCoin in your main account. All your deposits in KuCoin are going to be into your main account. You can get any wallet addresses. This is where you send Bitcoin, Dogecoin, a lot of those, altcoins like Shiba Inu, or basically any altcoin you can think of, you can send peer-to-peer to each other real quick using KuCoin. KuCoin is my favorite exchange, you guys. It's great. It's great. We're still riding this line on our entry point. We're getting some wicks down in the push down position. We're just going to wait and see what we can do, We could close our position right now and just give up about $1, which is no skin off anyone's back. But a quick run up, like I said, you guys, right up here is where I'm losing close to, $35. So we want to watch it. We want to make sure that we're not willing to risk anything more than 100% of what we're willing to lose. Because as you see, I put in a market position right here with this lightning bolt. I leveraged 100 times or 100% of what was available in my KuCoin account. And I went 100 times leverage. All right. Some real degen stuff, you guys. I can close my position out right now at a negative $2.20. Nobody wants that. I want to make some money. We want a big red candle here. We want to just always come out on top, but we know that the cryptocurrency game, that's not always how it goes, This is fun to me, and this is entertaining for all of us. So let's get this going and make a little bit of money and exit our position. Or maybe a customer will come into my store last minute, and I'll just close my position right away and shut off this video. Or maybe I'll just mute my audio and handle my customer real quick and see what we can do from there. I don't want to get liquidated though, and it looks like if we go up too much higher, I'm in some trouble. So we need a big red candle here, you guys. You can ride these waves up and down. You can go long and short, long and short, long and short. You guys can have your own tips and tricks and strategies to this. There is no right or wrong way. So if anyone tells you that their way is 100%, feel free to try it, but take that information with a grain of salt. But yeah, KUCOIN is the best, We could always click right here, this green little box, and set our stop losses. We've already lost more than 15% of our money, so it won't let us do that. We can set a stop loss right here of 25%, or once the price climbs to $42,835, it'll automatically trigger our position, and we'll only be giving up 25% of our $35. Um, but yeah, hopefully, I get liquidated and Bitcoin takes a huge run up and run back up. I know a lot of people got in again around that $50,000 range, and we want them to get their money back. We want Bitcoin to see new all-time highs. But unfortunately, it's not always how it goes all the time. I just want to show you guys this just to show you how to make some money, in the downturn. You can make money on the way up, you can make money on the way down, and that's what's great about this. We're just going to sit here and watch and hang out for a minute. I think I might start doing some of these videos live and maybe go live on YouTube and see where we're at from there, I love you guys. I love all my followers. I love all my subscribers. You guys are truly the best, man. I'm about to reach 100 subscribers, which is really cool to me. One of my videos has almost 7,000 views, which I am super stoked on. This is just fun. I'm showing my face now, which I haven't been the most comfortable with, but, we're all real people here, and we're all doing real things, and hopefully we're helping each other learn and grow and just become better humans. It's been a hard year for everyone, especially myself. I've got a lot of struggles. I've made a lot of wrong moves, lost a lot of money. But that's just part of it, you guys. That's just all part of it. You're not always going to win, it's just how you build back from there. So building back is going to be the most important part for all of us once we've taken those losses. You're going to experience some losses. Anyone who's been in cryptocurrency that hasn't experienced a loss, or I should have done this, or I should have done that, or if only I would have sold at this price or that price. And, there's definitely a lot of that in cryptocurrency. And don't let that get the best of you, you guys. You're here, you're learning, you're growing every day, and you're becoming a better person, a better trader. All along the way, you're using different tricks and tips and tricks and learning devices to just see where you're at in the crypto space, and take it day by day, you guys. And in the futures market, we take things minute by minute, because as you can see, we can close our position out right now, and it would be about a negative $3 probably. Let's see here, $4.50. Looks like we're getting some big push up. What do you think I should do, you guys? Should I close my position already and just say, hey, here's a quick little 10-minute video of me going short when I should have went long? And, all it takes is a real quick little run up and I'm liquidated, and it looks like that is looking very possible right now at 100 times leverage, which is extremely, extremely degenerative stuff. A lot of traders are going to say, hey, don't use anything more than 2 times leverage, but I'm only playing with less than $100 at a time, and it's entertaining for me, and I'm willing to lose this $35 today just to entertain you guys, just to teach you guys some stuff. You can see right here I'm negative 15% or $4.23. Our router's working really good here today. We're getting a lot of good signal. Better than the Wi-Fi at my house, apparently. So maybe I'll only make these trading videos at work. We have some pretty slow days, and if I can help you guys out with any AT&T products, I'm going to post my affiliate link in the comments. Please, buy your iPhone from me, buy your S21 Ultra from me. I'll greatly appreciate that. I'm just a man out here trying to earn some money, trying to earn a living, trying to serve a better purpose for myself and everyone I encounter. It's really important to me to just make an impact on people's lives. And getting a little emotional just thinking about that. I want to help as many people as I can. It's been a long, long year. It's been a long year for everyone. And yeah, let's just keep our heads up, guys. Keep on pushing. Keep on going. Yeah. Oh, man. This is the fun. We could make some money. We could lose some money. We're entertained. We could be working. I could be cleaning or doing something, uh, doing some scales or whatever. Prime Affiliates has me doing for AT&T. I've had this job for about 3 weeks. I had to get out of the house. Being stuck in your house isn't healthy. I gained about 100 pounds in the last 2 years. Working on my fitness, working on bettering myself every day. Through trading, I'm learning a lot. I'm growing as a person, and just I want to be the best person I can in all aspects of my life, and I want to pass that knowledge and pass that experience on to anyone here. Um, if you guys are struggling, feel free to reach out. Reach out to me. I'm always open. My comments and DMs are always open, you guys. I want to hear your story. I want to know all about you. We can be great friends. Let's develop a good friendship, good relationship. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Get us a little rundown. I was thinking I should have took a long position. It looks like we are reaching a bottom. See those long wicks? That means there's a lot of push up and a lot of push down right here. Um, it's a lot of price action right now, and it has to pick which way it's going to move. We're all jumbled up right here. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to check the 15-minute scale real quick. We're going to give that a go and see where we're at. We took a huge rundown. Man, I wish I would have taken this position right here at about 1 o'clock Central Mountain Time. That would have been cool. But it's just all about trial and error, guys. Time in the market. Uh, your time in the market is always going to beat timing the market unless it's futures. Futures, you're using so much leverage that basically if you're wrong, you're going to lose your money. And if you're right, you're going to make a lot of money. And this is just basically high risk, high reward situation. I don't think I even went 100 times long. It looks like I went about 95 maybe. Guess I didn't move that slider all the way over, but we're just going to hang out, you guys. I'm going to make a little video, hopefully entertain you, get to singing and dancing and hanging out and having a good time. And, this is all fun to me. We're watching these candles, watching the charts move, hopefully getting in and out at a right time, which is the key to this. It's the key to crypto is getting in and out when you're supposed to. A lot of people have learned that lesson the hard way. Greed is definitely a big fueler of cryptocurrency because when those all-time highs hit, people say, "Oh, I don't care, it's going up high." Well, it's not always going to go up higher, you guys. It's going to go down, and you need to learn how to take your profits. Take those profits any chance you can get, convert them into USDT, and when you're ready to reposition yourself, go ahead and buy back into whatever coin you want. Just make sure you're taking those profits. And we're looking at this scale right here, and we're hitting some higher lows, and some looks like we got a double top. These are all minute scales, though. You never know what's gonna happen. All it takes is a big buy or a big sell off, and we can get a run up in either direction. So we're just gonna kind of wait it out and see if we can lose our $35 or maybe double it real quick and get out. I can go home and hang out, maybe play some Call of Duty, or I really need to go grocery shopping. I think I'm going to do that after work. We got a kick up on the minute scale when there's a gap oh, there we go. Never mind. You can use all kinds of indicators, you guys. You can use all kinds of trading tricks to read these charts in any way that you see fit. I'm just here to kind of educate you guys on the basics, show you what I've learned the hard way by taking some big losses. So right now we're in the profit again. Uh, we were negative $5 just a couple minutes ago, and I can close this position right now. And we could, oh, excuse me, that's the take profit stop loss. I can close my position right now at an estimated profit of $1.15. We're not going to do that. We're going to hang out. We're going to hope it breaks through this mark right here, which is 4,000, $42,755. You can set alerts and alarms and your market orders and limit orders if you're counting the prices and going positioning yourself by price action and saying, hey, I think Bitcoin's going to get as low as 41,000 today. If that price hits 41,000, well, I want you to purchase X amount of Bitcoin. um, or when the price of Bitcoin gets lower than 42,000, to sell a certain amount of my Bitcoin. Those are all called market order, or excuse me, stop orders or limit orders. Limit is going up, uh, stop is going down, which basically, you stop your profit losses or stop your profit gains and close your position out. I hope everyone's staying healthy. It's January 6th, and a lot of people are getting COVID right now. And so I want you guys to stay healthy and take care of yourselves, in any way that you can. All right. Are we seeing higher lows here? There's barely a lower low. Barely. We're moving sideways, guys, and the price is going to shoot up or down either way. We just got to wait for it to happen while we're positioning ourselves. I'm going to go ahead and right click. I'm going to go to reset chart. That's always great for us. That is a huge buy order right there. You can also look in this order book right here, and this tells you who's buying, who's selling what. We could close our position right now at an estimated loss of $3.83. We're moving sideways for a bit. Um, This is looking like a bottom right here. Nice little line of support we've been hitting on and off today. Um, let's go ahead and check the hour scale for Bitcoin and see where we're at. It's looking like a big downtrend. Looks like we positioned our short position at almost the bottom here, which isn't good. Usually want to go long in those kind of times, but I think we're going into a bear market, you guys, and it could be a bear season for quite a bit. Oof. There we go. There's a big run up. I don't like using my laptop here. I get all willy-nilly with the touchpad, and oh no, we might be liquidated soon. That's another big buy order. Let's see where we could close out today. We could lose $7. We could lose $7, and if it gets above this line right here, that's a clear indicator that we could go up to the next line of resistance, which would be right here. Um, and this is why you set lower leverage points, because you give yourself more swing up, more swing down, just to be safe. You could say, hey, I know that the price of Bitcoin is going down today, and maybe you just gave yourself too high of a leverage and you put in your position at just the wrong point, and the price of Bitcoin went up, you get liquidated, and then maybe the 20 minutes later the price of Bitcoin shoots way down past your entry point. You can see our entry price right here is $42,783 exactly. So let's just wait it out. I got another hour before I can close this store down. Yeah, let's just hang out and hopefully we can get a nice little rundown and maybe get some of my money back and not give away my $35. If you'd like to donate to my channel, I'll post all my wallet addresses in the comments, you guys, or in the description. I love doing this. I would love to do something stupid, but I leveraged way too much money way too fast when I didn't know what I was doing at all. And that was extremely stupid to me, and I only went 10 times leverage those days, but I lost a bunch of money, and that kind of hurt and kind of scared me away from the futures market. But at least now I know what I'm doing, sort of. I know how to work the platform at least. When I took those losses, I had no idea how to really even operate the platform. That's why I'm teaching you guys exactly how to do this. We can learn from my mistakes. All right, margin leverage. Let's click on this. All right, so I did go 100 times leverage. As you can see, I'm 122 times leverage now. KuCoin will, as you're in the wrong, as I went short right here, as I'm in the wrong, it uses higher leverage to just kind of get that money back from me real quick. And as you're in the right, it goes at a lower leverage. And we're creeping up on this. We're creeping up on this liquidation price, you guys. Let's see here. I could close our position again at a negative estimated loss of around $9 or so. It didn't break this line, which is a good sign for the shorts. It still could any second, and this is all about timing. It's all about timing the market, reading those indicators, positioning yourself in a good position, and then just getting in and out, getting in and out, getting in and out. Yeah, so we just wait it out now, see what's going on my phone, kind of hanging out. Hopefully we're not getting liquidated. Hopefully you guys can send me some good trading vibes, and I can just come out on top today, and I can make some money, and that'd be great. We're all learning, we're all experiencing life, though. I appreciate you guys just watching this video. I'd love to be really good at this. I'd love to be the best trader I can. If you're an experienced trader, please, slide in my comments. Say, hey, I can help you out, David. Let me help you make more money in the crypto space. Let me show you some tricks, because I would love to learn. I love to learn from everybody. I just want to learn and grow as a person, and that's really all I can say. All right. It's been a long day. Probably hit the gym. I need to get back into working out. It's new year, new me. Wink, wink. Hopefully I can be a better version of myself. Last year I lost about 50 pounds. This year I'm looking to lose another 50. And it looks like I'm getting close to the liquidation price here, you guys. I just got a notification on my phone. KuCoin was saying, hey, just so you know, you might get liquidated here. Whoa. Yeah, that's not looking too good. And I knew that this area was around the bottom, and I still went short, which is that's extremely ballsy. I'm kind of bearish on Bitcoin, you guys. I think we might, float back down to around that $35,000 range, and hopefully start going back up from there. Maybe this is the bottom, which would be great for a lot of us. Wouldn't be great for my $35, but in the long run, that's going to be just fine with me, I would love to do this with more money. It's way more exciting when you can, I'm losing 37% of my money in just a few moments, It's really only been, maybe 15, 20 minutes or so. But yeah, this is the point too where I'm like, what do I do? Do I just give up my $12.50 and walk away with my $15 and only lose about 40% of my money? Or do I say, whatever, you can take the whole $35 because I'm stubborn and don't want to reposition myself? Because if this is a top, I can sell short at this point. I can close my order, sell short, and reposition myself in a short at this point. It's looking. What's our liquidation price? 43,019. We're at 42,974. which is dangerously close. We're just right here. So hopefully we don't go above this line of resistance. This is a nice resistance line. Hopefully somebody decides they want to sell $1 million worth of Bitcoin today, right now, at this exact moment. That would help me in my $35 position, but uh, you know. We're learning a lot, and I'm doing real low amounts of money here, guys, just to teach you how, just to show you this, and you could add a couple zeros onto this and say, hey, we were, maybe I put in 35,000 and we're already down 42%. All right. And it just shows how much money is made and how much money is lost in cryptocurrency and how fast that happens. Um, there's a lot of big orders coming through right here. You can look in the order book. These are all the sell orders. These are all the buy orders. Somebody just bought 4 Bitcoin. Somebody just sold 6. Somebody just sold 2. Uh, but yeah, let's just wait it out and hopefully get a little rundown. We'll hang out for a little bit. We're chilling. I think I might go live. I don't have enough followers to where I can interact with the chat. Not yet, at least, Not yet, but I'm looking to gain more friends in this space, and I've seen lots of opportunities come and go with crypto, and that's always a bummer. It's not a fun time, when you're like, oh, I could have bought a Bored Ape for 2 Ethereum. I had Bitcoin at 1,000, and I sold it after the first crash in 2019, and I still lost money there, which is terrible. Uh, you gotta hold, I guess, and I wasn't ready, and that was the first big crash I've been through with Bitcoin, and that really hurt, especially when it was like I made a bunch of money, I bought a bunch more Bitcoin, and then to just see your portfolio, down 50, 60%, sometimes you gotta walk, and walking away isn't always the smartest idea, but sometimes that's what we got to do. You live and you learn from your mistakes, and I'm here to teach you guys from my mistakes, and hopefully y'all don't make the same mistakes I do, and just, I'm sending you positivity and hoping the best for everyone here. I want everyone to be successful. I don't want you guys to lose your $35. Why don't you go ahead and position yourself, you guys? Use my tutorial videos. Throw a little $20 at it. See what it does for you. This is more fun than buying a scratch ticket for me. So, yeah. I switched to Samsung today. Today's my first day on a Samsung. I missed my iPhone already. I might switch back to iPhone here soon. Uh, The functionality of iPhone is just amazing. It's so simple. It's so easy. I miss emojis. Uh, I miss the predictive text and the spelling and grammar correction of an iPhone. It's got that down. Maybe I'll learn a bunch more about my Android. I got the S21 Ultra, so maybe I'll learn a bunch more and grow with Samsung, and we'll see from there. But yeah, I'm in here at AT&T. I'm bored, placing myself a futures position. I'm working at AT&T for a day job, and it's been really great. AT&T has treated me well. Look, I'm able to make a YouTube video while I'm at work. I'm just in here waiting for customers to come in. When somebody comes in, I'm going to go ahead and help them out. Help them provide the best customer service I can. Learn about as much people as I can, and I want to make friends and I want to grow. Oh, excuse me. All right. There's a nice little rundown. Let's see how far we can push that. Um, there's a nice little kick down. A kick down is basically when the minute scale changes and the price takes a big jump in one direction, and there's a nice little gap in between the candles. All right. What's fun is if once you got this, you can You can go long, you can go short. We could have put in a long position down here where I went short and then sold at the top. We could have made, that would have been about 50%. We could have made 15 bucks, and then maybe we could have leveraged our $50 in a short from there. And then you can grow your money pretty quick. You can lose your money pretty quick as well, guys. Uh, don't be afraid to lose money. If you're afraid to lose money, you need to just stay away from crypto. Um, Invest in real estate or invest in an IRA or something a little more stable. But uh, if you don't like to gamble, stay far away from the futures market. Uh, the futures market is definitely a huge gamble. Um, because it's all about timing your position, it's picking the right time to go long, picking the right time to go short, making sure that your position is the right one. But yeah, just hanging out at work. I'm working at AT&T. I'm on my phone. My phone's dry. Nobody's hitting me up. I'm bored, so I'm gambling here. All right. Sending a couple text messages, hanging out, waiting to get liquidated, waiting to make money, waiting for a customer, just, wasting time, having fun, teaching you guys as much as I can. We're doing some derivatives trading here in KUCOIN. All right. Texting some friends back, seeing how they're doing, seeing how their day's going. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope you guys are pushing through. 2022 is gonna be your year. 2021 wasn't very good to me. Wasn't very good to basically everyone I know. So 2022 is gonna be a lot better to us. You guys just keep your heads up, keep pushing. We're all gonna get through this. All right. Yeah, here we go. What do you guys got going on in your lives? Why don't you go ahead and post in the comments? Just tell me how you're doing. If you're struggling, let me know. I'd love to talk to you. Love to help build you up and send you some positivity in your life. And looks like I'm getting a customer right now. Nope. They wanted to just walk on by. I think they're going to the Domino's. Good for them, because I'm hanging out with you guys. I'd love to make more money with AT&T. I just started working here a couple weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I didn't have a job for a long time. I was just kind of doing this. I'm also building some Ethereum mining computers and Flux mining computers. If you guys need GPUs, hit me up. If you guys need custom built gaming computers, hit me up. I want to help everyone out. I want to utilize the skills I'm good at. Haven't been doing much of that in my life, and I'd like to get better at that. Selling myself as a person, just being the best version of myself I can. You know, it's not always the easiest thing to do, and I'm ready to put in the effort this year. This video is getting kind of lengthy. Huh? I want to make some money though. I want to make some money. Wonder if OBS was. I don't know how to see how long I've been recording without pulling that whole thing up. I'm totally new to this, to the video thing, you guys. This is like really only my sixth time I've recorded or so. I've done a lot of still photography. Do you guys have any hobbies? What do you guys like to do for fun? Are you creative, or are you into sports or being active? Like, what are you guys into? Tell me about you. All right, what time is it? I still got a little while. I could hang out here technically for another 20 minutes or so. before I decide to pack up and close the store down and head home. Go to the grocery store, get stuff ready to cook my meals for the rest of the week. I like to do meal prepping. It might not show by my outward appearance, but really cooking and cleaning once a week has been great for me. If you don't mind eating the same thing once a week, meal prepping can be great. All right. Got a headache today. Not feeling the best. Hopefully it's not the old Roni. I know a lot of people got it right now, but we're staying positive. We're doing our thing. Staying active, way more active than I've been in the past. I'm a big boy. At my biggest, I was over 420. I'm 6'3". I'm 349 right now. Working on it every day, eating right, not working out as much as I should, but that's a whole nother thing. We'll get into that. Maybe this will be my year. Get back into the gym every day and just be more active and be more aware of myself is, really my end result in all aspects of my life. I'm getting better at just talking to myself too. My first couple videos, I was real, just like, But yeah, I want to have fun, Let's make some money. Let's chill. Let's learn and grow with each other. I'm going to repeat that probably 30 times in this video because I got some other tutorial videos. You guys should check them out. They're a little bit more in depth. This one was just a real quick, hey, this is how you position yourself real quick. And, maybe we'll exit here soon. I'm going to write some of my friends back real quick. All right. Cool. Let's see what we could close our position at right here. We're going to do a market close, 100%. We could lose about $7.30, which is just fine with me. That would be 22% of our money. You could do a limit close here and basically say, hey, sell this amount of Bitcoin at these prices, and you're good to go. We're not going to do that, though. We're just going to wait it out. We're going to zoom on out. That was our run up. We're going to see, look at this run up. Woo, that would have been good to ride up, and then you sell short and you make more money, and then you go home happy and go home and do whatever hobbies you're into. And that's what's great about trading. You can make some money real quick. You can lose some money real quick if you're willing to put up the money to lose. There's some big money to be made, but if you want to make big money, you got to be willing to lose big money. And I am not willing to lose big money yet. I've already done that, and until I get some positive things going for myself in my life, I got to take it slow. I can't be taking losses out here every day. At least if I'm taking losses now, it's to help educate you guys, and I'm trying to record all my futures trades just to help show you guys how to do this and show you how easy it is. But yeah, there we go, texting my friends, seeing if my buddy wants to go eat some sushi after this. That's the way to do it, huh? I'm gonna lose $35 and then I'm gonna go spend another $45 getting sushi. I need to learn how to budget, you guys. I'm terrible at that. If I had more money, this would be way more exciting to watch me put 10 grand in, though. I would totally do it if I had it. If I had it like that, I would totally make some way more fun, way more exciting moves for us. Man, I almost don't want to close this position out and just be like, okay, I'm going to stop the video and maybe I'll start it again once I get home and see where we're at from there. I just want to be entertaining, I want to be entertaining. I want to be interactive. I want to be fun. I want to make money. I want to teach you guys how to use KUCOIN. KUCOIN is the best. And right now we're in the KUCOIN futures market. This is the pro section of KUCOIN. I'll show you guys the light version real quick. You just click right here on light. This is going to take you into KUCOIN futures light. This is basically the same thing we were doing, just on a little bit easier of a scale. You can see there's only 68 of the positions available for Bitcoin are long, and 40% of people are selling short right now. So this is basically the same thing. This is where you adjust your leverage. This is where you adjust how much money you're going to put in. Yeah, and then this is where you place the order right here. But I prefer Pro. Pro's a little bit more easy for me because I understand how the futures market works and how these charts work. Oh, this is actually the spot market I just clicked into. These are basically where you buy your altcoins. This is where you buy Luna with USDT. If you have USDT in your KuCoin trading account, this is where you trade USDT for Luna. And it's basically like that, just like that with every coin. All these are called trading pairs. They're all to USDT. This is where you buy Bitcoin with USDT or Ethereum or ICP or Theta. KuCoin is the best, you guys. Just click around, learn as much as you can, and just, you can't be afraid to click on stuff is what I've learned. And we're reaching a higher low here. So that's a good sign as far as a bullish trend is looking. We might have hit a bottom here, and we might be working our way back up now. Let's check the 5-minute scale. Each one of these candles represents 5 minutes in time right now, and this is looking pretty bottomish. This is where we got in. We got in right here. I just thought maybe the price was going back down, but we're hitting these higher lows. It's almost time for me to pack up and get ready to go home, and I don't know if I should close my position and just cut this video, or if I should just let it ride and maybe fire it back up when I get home and say, hey guys, we're back. Maybe I'll enter a position in the morning time with AT&T, and then just maybe next time I'm at work, I'll just, hey, I'm going to record my video in the morning. This is where I enter. Then I'll mute everything and then just let it record and see what happens from there. Because this does take time, you guys. As you can see, though, we almost got liquidated. This price got up to $42,986, which is basically, $30 higher for Bitcoin, and we would have been liquidated. We would have lost our 36 bucks right around here, and then, just shows on how much timing really matters when it comes to futures markets. It's not just, buy and hold and just hope for the best and look at your Bitcoin every day. All right. Oh no. That's a big green candle. That's a real big green candle. There we go. Yeah. It's getting some pushback down. What time is it? Okay. Man, I'm looking real losing money here to make these videos. If you guys could see my AT&T affiliate link, that would greatly help me. I need to make some money today. $36 is maybe a third of what I made at AT&T today, and You watched me just lose a third of what I made in a 9-hour shift in just 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So that's a common thing. We could have made a lot more. We might get liquidated here. Oh, it's looking real liquidatey. That's a big green candle, you guys. Uh, that's a big buy order. I wish I was watching the order book. I could lose about 15 bucks right now and close this position out and just close the AT&T store, call it a day. Really, like, well, if it gets over this line and in this area, this is where we get liquidated. This is also the area of the price is either going to shoot up or it's going to shoot back down. Um, so we're just waiting it out, you guys. Waiting it out. We're on the minute scale in the KUCOIN futures market. Seeing how it goes for us. You know, it's not looking very great. It's not looking very good at all. I might just close my position out, lose this 15 bucks, call it a day, maybe reposition myself later. But remember, guys, 100 times leverage is extremely stupid. A lot of people will say, hey, don't do that. But I'm not going to say don't do that because this is fun. And it just shows us how fast we can gain money or how fast we can lose money, you know. So we're just here waiting on Bitcoin to have some moves to either liquidate me and lose my 35 bucks or kind of break me even at the last second. All right. Bum, 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 bum. Cool, cool. What were you doing, Bitcoin? What are you going to do? You going to keep shooting up and you're going to take my 35 bucks or where are we going from here? What are we doing? I'm ready to pack up. I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to end this video. I don't think anybody wants me to post hour-long futures videos, you know? So, yeah. I'm probably just going to step away and maybe add some fast forwarding or some cinema magic onto this video and see what happens from there. You know, and I'm so indecisive all the time. I say, oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, like every 3 minutes. You know? Uh, yeah, you know what, guys? I'm probably just gonna close out. I might just close it out. What would I close out right now? Let's see here. I could close my position at, we just lose 14 bucks. No big deal. Oh, or we can possibly get liquidated. Oh, it's going up there. Ooh, we're about to get liquidated. There it is. There's our liquidation price right there. We just lost our 35 bucks. As you can see, I got no open orders. And there it is, If I would have put in a long position, that would have been great. That would have probably, made me almost 30 bucks real quick. But yeah, that's just how it goes. And see how it just barely touched our liquidation point and shot back down. But it doesn't matter because we touched that point where I agreed. I signed the contract with KUCOIN saying, hey, if the price of Bitcoin reaches this price, go ahead and take all my money because that's what I'm willing to risk today. But it's good timing, because I'm ready to go home. I'm going to stay away from the futures market for a little bit. If you guys can Maybe give me an idea of what you want to see a video on. That would be great. I need to make more of these videos. I need to make more friends. Need to make more connections with you guys. I would love that. So yeah, write in those comments. Maybe give me a like or a subscribe or maybe a donation or whatever. Be my friend. Let's all get along. Let's all learn crypto together. All right, I'm out of here. See you guys.